Traverse engine, travel planning and experience engine. So Traverse engine is a dual platform premium travel planning and experience engine designed to construct dynamic context aware itineraries, simulate real world travel disruptions and re-optimize schedule in real time. The application is deployed and hosted on a Streamlit. You can go and check. So let's see the functionality of Traverse engine. We can select our destination and the budget level as per our, like, let me select the Paris. The budget level, let's keep it luxury. And we can also select the type of tempo traveler. So yeah, it is relaxed, balanced, fast paced. So let's select the balanced. We can select the interest, like if we want to explore the cultural sites also, or nature only, some kind of adventure is also allowed or not in the trip. So yeah, relaxation, if we are interested in shopping also, of course food, how I can forget that. So yeah, adventure also we can add little bit. So yeah, I have mostly added all the interests of mine. So after that I can choose the dietary requirements also, like if anyone is vegan then they can select the same gluten free or whatever as per your requirement. And the mobility access, as if you are traveling with your grandparents or someone who need the wheelchair or something like that, so you should check that also if it is available or not. So after like selecting all these things, you can just click on the compile route package. So here you can see 4 or 5 items like timeline, itinerary, route map, event simulator, cost analytics and this time journal. So here let me show you the schedule. If we can if we select the schedule of 3 days, so where we should go on first day, what should we do on second day, on the basis of that it is different. Let me show you. These are the cafes we can visit or the places we can go for the shopping in Paris. uh, it also give all kind of like slots, which slots we can book the tickets and the time at which it is good to book the ticket of that slot. We can select those. So it is a kind of dynamic itinerary, and it depends upon the day on which day 2, day 1, everything. And the map, it is the map which shows the exact route by which we can reach that place, and if there is any kind of traffic then it also alerts in advance so that we can like focus on other places. If say some at some in the like route of some other place the traffic is less, so we can head toward that instead of going the same place where the traffic is more. So like that it helps. Here as I have created it in a kind of map only, in which we just focus on the hotel base camp, attraction site and the dining options, so there is no any kind of like distraction. So therefore thus just the 3 points and their like way how they are connected. So this is the live trip simulator app, in which it is suggest like what we should do on day 2 on morning, like self disruptions if something happen, like inject if something happen, so how we can tackle that. Everything gets here listed here. We can also get the logs whatever we have done. So like that. So it is a kind of event simulator, means if on that day something happens then what we should do next. So all these things we can plan in advance only, and we don't have to wait. So what if that can occur. So like that, I have just started the simulation and it gives the answer like what we can do. If there would be a major traffic, then what steps we should follow and where we should head toward. If this means it generally creates a list or itinerary which we should follow, but it also helps in like seeing if something different happens, like there is a traffic or there is a kind of weather problem, like it is raining or some kind of that issue, then what we can do instead of visiting that place. So it is also give the answer for those. Of course the cost analytics is the most important thing, as we go in the trip and we just get spent a lot in those trips. So it is a lot helpful for us to keep our every budget in budget. Like we can keep the trip in under budget by always seeing if it is not going above our budget or not. So here it is also all considering all the cost like lodging, base camp, dining, meals, activities, whatever in activities we have spent, and fares. So it is just calculating everything. And here is the stamps journal. Like we have the simulation advancement stamps. Here we can collect for the day 1, day 2, day 3. We can log our entry, some photographs or snapshots we have taken, and we can just enter here and create our best memory. So yeah, this is the traverse engine. And I have created by keeping in mind the problems I had faced once I visited Manali. So I just wanted to remove all those problems. When we plan a trip, we have to plan a lot of things, as we are going a place where everyone is unknown and we have to take care of each and everything. So I hope this traverse engine would be a lot helpful for those who are planning their trip. So next time when you plan for a trip, you can use this traverse engine for your plan. This is already hosted on the Streamlit, and you can visit using this link. So yeah, thank you.